Hey guys, welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to comment, and support our little channel. We are trying by all means, guys. So, anyway, guys, it's not a complete mission if you haven't found the cause of the dress that made Mihlali ndamase to trend. We all know that this dress was worn by Mary Jane last week as she was busy partying. So the dress does not come cheap very well, guys. Like, trust me and believe the dress is very expensive. So Mihlali Ndamase, she did take the company of one of her video. The company is called at Limbo Online Boutique. The price of the dress is 2,900, and therefore for delivery it's 150. And they also say hurry, only a few left. It means people want the dress, especially those side chick. I'm just kidding. Anyway, people seems like they want the dress. And another thing that I don't understand is that they have posted Mihlali more than 3 times. I mean, I don't know if they're trying to make the dress sellable, whatever they're trying. At the end of the day, it is a boutique, obviously it is a business. So guys, I'm in a